In this workshop on breaking free from attachment wounds, you'll walk away with transformative skills and insights for building healthier, more secure relationships. By the end, you can expect to understand your personal attachment style, as well as understanding how it shapes your relationships. You'll be able to identify and regulate attachment-related triggers so that you can respond rather than react. This will help you rebuild trust in both yourself and others, laying the foundation for lasting connections. We'll also focus on developing healthier communication, which can deepen emotional intimacy. And as you learn to set and maintain boundaries without guilt or fear, it will strengthen your ability to navigate conflict in secure, connected ways. And then lastly, you will gain practical tools to move toward earned secure attachment and achieve lasting relational healing. Join me on this journey and empower yourself to create the fulfilling relationships you deserve. The link to register is below.